T-minus 15 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ignition. And lift off of Falcon 9. Go SpaceX, go Starlink.
Vehicle is pitching downrange.
MOD chamber pressure is nominal.
Power and telemetry nominal.
Falcon 9 is supersonic.
Falcon 9 rocket traveling faster than the speed of sound, more than a minute into this flight.
Max Q.
That call for max Q, the rocket is passing through the point of greatest aerodynamic pressure on the vehicle. Throttling up and now preparing for MVAC chill.
MVAC chill has started.
That's the process of thermally conditioning the Merlin vacuum engine on the second stage. We're coming up on a few events in fairly rapid succession here. We'll have first stage main engine cutoff. Ooh, some nice tracking shots there. First stage main engine cutoff, or MECO, at about T plus 2 minutes and 24 seconds. That'll be followed by stage separation and then the ignition of that Merlin vacuum engine. Just over 2 minutes into the flight now. The payload fairings will deploy just before the 3-minute mark.
Vehicle is following a nominal trajectory.
Good call there. Some really nice views of the edge of the Earth just off of the rocket's plume. If you are capturing some of these spectacular views as we anticipate them to be, tag us on social media. Love to see what you get.
Stage
Main engine
separation confirmed.
MVAC startup.
Fairing separation confirmed.
And a great view of those Starlink satellites with the payload fairings deploying. We saw just a glimpse of SpaceX tracking cam.
Both vehicles are following nominal trajectories.
And there you see it there. That's the jellyfish that we were looking for. A really nice view of the burn of the second stage that you're seeing. That's the brightest dot on the left-hand side of your screen. You can see the reflection from the two payload fairing halves. Those are the two dots in the middle there. And then on the far left, you're seeing the first stage booster with those occasional puffs. Those are the cold gas thrusters as the booster is reorienting itself in preparation for the start of the entry burn. It's a rare thing to see, especially for a Starlink mission, SpaceX employing its tracking cams during a mission like this. So a nice treat for this sunset launch. Now more than 4 minutes into flight. Coming up, the next milestone will be the start of that entry burn using 3 out of the 9 engines at the base of the Falcon 9 booster. Entry burn will last a little less than 30 seconds in duration. And it looks like Falcon Booster 1093 has reached its apogee in today's flight. topping out at 119 kilometers in altitude, now beginning to make its descent towards the drone ship. Of course, I still love you. And the sun is still really nicely catching those payload fairings. The booster has just gone out of
Both
frame,
vehicles
but
continue to follow nominal trajectories.
those two little dots in the bottom left-hand corner of the left box, those are the payload fairings that are still making their descent and still quite visible against the setting sun.